Priscilla. In this video, I will make yummy fried macaroni balado. Before we start, I will explain what macaroni snacks are. So let's get started. Currently, snacks are very popular food in the world. Snacks consumed between main meals. According to the types of snacks that are often found on the market today, snacks which contain monosodium glutamate or MSG, calories, fat, and other substances. Indonesian people have a habit of not being able to stop snacking. This is a business opportunity for the snack industry to produce various types of snacks. Snack products are increasingly flooding the market with more and more choices various, from the wet flour-based, soy flour, chocolate, fruits, nuts, and many others. The taste varies from sweet, spicy, salty to sour. All flavors are available in supermarkets throughout the city, so it's very easy to find. In this video, I will make a simple snack that tastes very delicious. It's Balado Fried Macaroni. Before getting into how to make Balado Fried Macaroni, I will explain a little about macaroni. Macaroni is a paste that looks like a small pipe bent in an arch. Macaroni can be served with ingredients such as chicken, vegetables, beef, and many others according to taste. I need to bring up this information because I give tips for making snack balado fried macaroni so that we can make it ourselves and we know which ingredients are safe for consumption in our bodies, because there are some snacks out there that contains ingredients that are harmful to the body and we don't know whether the good is hygienic in the process of making it right. Because in the current situation, we have to maintain the condition of our bodies, like eating food that are safe for the body and hygienic, and also we get the insight to make this snack. So right now I'm gonna tell you how to make balado fried macaroni, so let's get started. First of all, we have to wash our hands. First, we have to prepare the ingredients in advance. These ingredients are easily found in the nearest market or supermarket with affordable price. The first ingredient is macaroni. The amount of macaroni according to taste. The macaroni in the form of a small pie. Second ingredient is salt. The amount of salt can be adjusted according to the amount of macaroni. Third ingredient is oil. Oil used to prevent it from sticking, and also we will use it for frying. Fourth ingredient is seasoning of balado sachet. The spice is widely sold in supermarkets or markets. And the last ingredient is wet flour. First, I'm gonna boil the water and put the macaroni. Add enough salt and cooking oil to prevent it from sticking when boiled. When it's boiling, don't forget to give normal water so the macaroni will stop expanding. And sprinkle with flour so it will not stick when frying, like this. After frying, drain it in a tissue so that the oil doesn't stick too much. And the last step is put in macaroni in the container. With a lid. Add the balado spice to taste and shake until the balado spice blend perfectly with the macaroni. And mix it well. The macaroni is ready to serve. The reference I get from Google is one of the cookpad website recipe or can be seen from the link that I will include in the description box below this video. If there are any suggestions, you can comment below this video. I would love to read it. I'm so sorry if there are any mistake in making and pronunciation. And yeah, thank you for your watching.